Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So first of all, first and foremost, if you are not subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. So you guys, for today, well, first of all, welcome to Trendy Tuesdays, okay? Because I'm here to slay you all summer 19. So you need to be tuned to this video each and every Tuesday. The look that I'm rocking today, you guys, is a cape style blazer dress, okay? Now, the blazer dress is a really hot trend right now, so if you haven't grabbed you one or got you one, sis, you need to go ahead and get you one because it is a hot tamale. It's a hot trending style, you guys, and I absolutely love it. I paired it up with some cute sparkle nude, almost like a rose gold nude shoes with a nice clutch for a more upscale, elegant look. It honestly just brings out the colors from the detail of the dress. So yeah, you guys, let's get into the video.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. What I really want to see is that.
All right, you guys already know that leopard is a biggest trend of the season. It's here to stay. It's gonna be here for a long while, so you can just get used to seeing this print. Today, you guys, I wanted to do a video based around the shorts, the denim shorts. Denim shorts are so hot during the summer. I mean, we're all wearing it. It's muy caliente. It's hot outside, so we want to look sexy. We want to show off those legs and those curves, you guys. So I wanted to pair this one up with these shorts. All right, you guys, so for my second look, I am rocking those same denim shorts. I paired it up with a cute white bodysuit from Forever 21. I also have this cute plaid shirt around the waist, some all white Chuck Taylors, and yeah, I'm just loving this outfit. This is totally sporty, super cute. This is like your mom outfit. I mean, it can be your mom outfit or it can be like your everyday outfit, you know, taking the kids to school, you know, or, you know, going shopping, whatever it is that you want to do. This is a super cute, sporty look. All right, you guys, so for my third look, I am rocking those same shorts again, you guys. This is just it for this video. It's just these shorts we're talking about and how to style it. I have this nice BCBG Max Azia orange crisscross top on. It's a crop top, you guys. I paired this up with a nice upscale clutch, and the shoes as well are upscale. I wanted to show you guys that you can wear these shorts and still dress it up and go out with your girls or go out for a date night and still look super cute and fab. All right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's Trendy Tuesdays. If you guys have any suggestions for Trendy Tuesdays, make sure you guys drop it down below in the comments. Go ahead, and while you're doing that, click the subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.